Hello friends, I am Yogesh Kumar Deshmukh, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Department of Bharati College of Engineering Technology, Durg. Today we are going to learn about Deshmukh-Hartenberg notations. What it is? It's defined the manipulator in 4 joint link parameter for each link. A procedure for assigning right hand orthonormal conditions frames. One of each link is an open kinematic chain was proposed by Deshmukh and Hartenberg. Okay, that is known as Deshmukh-Hartenberg notation. DH notation we mostly use in the soft corner. Okay, as we are seeing a diagram, there are two links, link I and link I-1. Okay, there we have points. We have mark AB is the vertical axis coming out from joint I. In axis name is I-1, and this is I-2 axis, and this is axis I. Okay, where all these points are connected. In this notation we have to find out how many number of joints and how many number of links are there. Initially we have to start our joints name as I+1 and I-1. This is I-1, this is I+1. And frames, we have to define number of frames. This is that I frame, here it is I-1 frame, and this will be I-2 frame. Okay, so let's see what's the Deshmukh-Hartenberg notation says. A frame I is rigidly attached to distal end of link I and it moves with link I. Okay, जो फ्रेम I है वो rigidly attached है लास्ट एंड से, एक एंड से, ठीक है, and it moves with link I. In n degree of manipulator will have n+1 frames. अगर n degree of manipulator हैं तो n+1 frames होंगे, ठीक है, with frame starting as 0 and brace frame acting as a reference inertial frame and frame end being the tool frame or end effector. Okay, let's see. Figure shows the pair of adjacent link. Okay, I-1 and link I, their association joints I-1, I and I+1. Axis there are I-2, I-1 and I axis respectively. Okay, the frame I is assigned to link I as follows. How the frame I is assigned to link I? Okay, the ZI axis is aligned with axis I, its direction being arbitrary. Okay, what it says, the ZI axis is aligned with axis I. Okay, this is I axis is aligned with I axis, its direction beats arbitrary. Okay, next point, what it said, the XI axis is perpendicular to axis ZI-1 and ZI. The XI axis is perpendicular to ZI-1 axis and ZI axis. Okay, this is ZI axis and this is ZI-1 axis, and the XI axis is perpendicular to that axis. Okay, this is the perpendicular axis. Yeah, this is XI-1. Okay, third point, the origin of the ith coordinate frame and frame 1 is located at the intersection of axis of joint I+1. The origin of ith coordinate frame I, here origin point, is located at the intersection of joint of axis I+1. Okay, this is the intersection point, this is the origin point. Okay, what it is that the finally y-axis completes the right hand orthogonal conditional frame I. Y-axis will be on finally inside. Okay, this is z-axis, this is x-axis, then y-axis will be on right hand thumb rule, it will be intersecting inside the pages. Okay, with respect to frame I-1 and frame IH, the 4 DH parameters. What are the 4 DH parameters? AI, alpha I, and link parameter and joint parameter. Joint parameters are DI and theta I. What is link parameter? Distance measured along XI axis from the point of intersection of XI axis with ZI-1 axis. Okay, what it is alpha I? This one. This is alpha I. Okay, AI, sorry, this is AI. distance measured along x-axis from the point of intersection to xi minus 1 with zi minus 1 axis for the origin frame. Okay, next is link twist. It is the angle. Twist means it is an angle between zi minus 1 and zi axis measured about xi axis in the right hand sense. Okay, where it is, this is the alpha plane. Okay, this is the alpha I. Okay, here we have drawn its angle between zi minus 1 and zi axis measured about the xi axis at the right hand sense. See, this axis and this axis is parallel, hence this is the twist we get for alpha axis, which is called link twist. Next, the joint distance. The distance measured along zi axis from the origin to frame I minus 1 to the intersection of xi axis with zi minus 1 axis. This here, this is the frame xi minus 1 in this zi axis, and the distance between xi minus 1 axis, this is di. This is the joint distance value. And last parameter is joint angle, theta I, angle between xi minus 1 and xi axis. Okay, measured about the zi axis in the right hand sense, where it is theta I, this is joint angle. Okay, measured between this angle, this line, and this xi axis. Okay, we will getting theta I. This is the DH notations for which we have to solve problems for link frame assignment. Okay, thank you.